Okay, multiples. You've been doing this since probably grade 2 and just haven't known that it's called multiples. So we can count in multiples of 3 by going 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So all we're doing is adding 3 each time. That's nothing new to you. Counting in 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So all of these are multiples of 5. Does that make sense? We're counting in 5s, they're multiples of 5. 25 is 5 times 5, so it's 5 multiplied by 5. 12 is a multiple of 3 because 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. These are all multiples of our starting number. We can go on, let's just go 30, 35, 40, 45. A question might ask to list all the multiples of 5 in between 21 and 50. In that case, we would list them. If we're going to include 50, we would write it like that. So some of the questions can get a little tricky, but that's multiples, nice and easy. No problem in getting multiples of numbers. The next terminology is the LCM, which stands for the lowest common multiple, and we use that terminology when we're talking about fractions. So lowest common multiple, let's pick two numbers. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 7. So generally what we do is we'll list the numbers that we want to find the lowest common multiple of and get our multiples: 3, 6, 9, 12. I could keep going, but I think that'll do me. Now I'm going to do 7. The word common, it's the lowest common, so we're looking for the first number. So 7, 14. The next one will be 14 plus 7 is 21. So that's 3 7s, 4 7s, 5 7s, 6 7s, and clearly I could keep going. The lowest common multiple, so I'm wanting the smallest number that is in both lines. Can you see there's a 21 there and 21 there? So the lowest common multiple between 3 and 7 is 21. Nice and simple, lowest common multiple. You'll use it when we come to fractions, so make sure you do a little bit of practice.